Alright, so let's look at problem 13 here. It says sketch a graph of y is equal to, I'm going to call that floor x. This is where floor x is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. So let's play around with this thing for a minute. Like, if I take floor of 2, the greatest integer that's less than or equal to 2 is 2. What if I take like 2.7? The greatest integer less than or equal to 2.7 is 2. What about like 3.2? The greatest integer less than or equal to 3.2 is 3. So here's where it gets tricky. If I do negative 2.7, the greatest integer less than or equal to that is actually negative 3. Because remember, negative 2 is actually more than negative 2.7. So you have to be a little careful when you get into the negatives there. But what's the graph of this thing look like? Well, at 0 I get 0 until I get to 1, and then it jumps up to 1. And then it jumps up to 2, and then it jumps up to 3. It just keeps going, and then coming the other way, it comes back down. And basically, this is just like step function, right? So this graphs as a step function. All right, so there you go. This is the graph of the greatest integer function, or sometimes called the floor function. So there it is. That's problem 13.